गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। रोज की तरह इस हॉट क्वेश्चन की सीरीज में पहले तो आप सबका स्वागत है। हॉट क्वेश्चन की सीरीज में आज थर्ड हॉट क्वेश्चन मैंने लाया है फ्रॉम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इस लेसन से। ओके, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन हियर। ये दिखने को जरा अलग लग रहा है, उसकी लेवल यानी रूट ये साइन है इसलिए वो हार्ड है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। ध्यान में रखो, जिस क्वेश्चन की लेंथ ज़्यादा होती है उसके आंसर की लेंथ बहुत कम होती है। ओके, लेकिन उसमें जो हिंट होती है वो आपको ढूंढना है। समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, इफ द रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ax² plus cx plus c equal to 0. See carefully here. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax² plus cx, not here bx, ax² plus cx plus c equal to 0 are in the ratio p/q, then show that root p upon q plus root q upon p plus root c upon a, that is equal to 0. Okay, we have to prove this one. Okay, but see here, what is the given quadratic equation? Given quadratic equation is here ax², see here, ax² plus bx plus c equal to 0. समझ में आ रहा है? ax² plus cx, इधर bx नहीं है, cx है। ax² plus cx plus c. Okay, see here, ax² plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. Okay, see, comparing this equation, comparing with what? Comparing with ax² plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, then you will get the value of a will be here a is equal to a, but b is equal to c. Sorry, here ax² plus cx plus c, given equation. Okay, this is given. Okay, see, comparing with x² plus bx plus c equal to 0, therefore a equal to a, b equal to c, and c also equal to c. Okay, then now, and we know when roots of the quadratic equation are given, okay, then first of all we find the sum of the roots and then product of the roots. Then let alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic. Suppose alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation. Therefore, first of all, sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. What is the formula for sum of the roots? Minus of coefficient of x whole divided by coefficient of x², means minus b upon a, that is equal to, but what is b here? C, that is minus c upon a. Okay, a as it is, equation 1. Now product of the roots, that is alpha into beta, that is equal to, what is the formula? Coefficient of, constant term divided by coefficient of x², means c upon a. What is here c? Here c also c and a as it is a. This is equation 2. Okay, now from the given condition, what is the given condition? From given condition, see, if the roots of the quadratic equation ax² plus cx plus c equal to 0 are in the ratio p/q, means the ratio of these two roots, that is equal to p/q. Therefore, alpha upon beta, that is equal to p upon q, This is equation suppose 3. This is given. Okay, this is given part. Now we have to prove that root p upon q plus root q upon p plus root c upon a, that is equal to 0. Therefore, see here, therefore now we have to show the value of this left hand side, that is equal to 0. Therefore, see, root p upon q plus root q upon p plus root c upon a, that is equal to 0. But we have p upon q, that is equal to alpha upon beta. Okay, from 3, p upon q, that is root alpha upon beta plus root beta upon alpha plus root c upon a, as it is. Okay, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेते हैं हम, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, that is equal to see, now root alpha upon beta plus root beta upon alpha. Okay, then we can write this like this, root alpha upon root beta plus root beta upon root alpha plus root c upon a, as it is. Okay, see now, here denominator not same, LCM will be, what will be its LCM? Alpha, root alpha into root beta. Okay, and then root alpha plus root alpha plus root beta into root beta. Okay, therefore it is here alpha plus beta, that is plus root c upon a. Now put the value. See, what is the alpha plus beta? Minus c upon a. Here alpha plus beta minus c upon a whole divided by root alpha into root beta. Okay, root alpha into root beta, it means, see, root alpha into root beta. Okay, I tell you here, root alpha into root beta, that is equal to root alpha into beta, right? Therefore root alpha into beta, that is c upon a plus root c upon a, correct? Therefore see, minus c upon a, as it is. Here denominator nothing but 1. Then here LCM will be root c upon a, 1 into this one minus c upon a, minus c upon a, plus multiplication root c upon a plus c upon a whole divided by 1 upon root c upon a, correct? See, now here, आपको इधर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं फिर से लिखता हूँ, देखो, see, 1 into minus c upon a, correct? Minus c upon a plus root c upon a into root c upon a, रूट निकल जाएगा, c अपॉन a रहेगा, होल डिवाइडेड बाय रूट c अपॉन a इंटू 1 रूट c अपॉन a, ये रहेगा रूट c अपॉन a, दैट इज इक्वल टू, नाउ माइनस c अपॉन a प्लस c अपॉन a, दिस विल बी कैंसल आउट एंड आंसर विल बी 0 अपॉन रूट c अपॉन a. ओके, 0 upon root c upon a, it means 0, that will be RHS. Okay, this is the best question. Okay, I think एग्जाम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जो दिखने में अलग रहते हैं लेकिन उसका आंसर इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होता है या ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। सिर्फ वो क्वेश्चन हमने एक बार सॉल्व किया होगा तो अगली बार सॉल्व करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, कोई परेशानी नहीं। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? और ऐसे बहुत सारे